Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video, and on today's video I will be guiding you how to fix Messenger on your PC. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. If you're having any error or problem in Messenger on your desktop or PC, there are some solutions that you can try out. First and foremost, make sure that you have proper internet connection on your desktop. Try switching your Wi-Fi connection with other Wi-Fi and check whether that will help you out or not. If not, then on your desktop, open up settings. Once you open up your settings, then head over to the left hand side. There you will get bunch of menus. From there, click on apps. Now again, click on installed apps. Here you will get all the apps installed on your desktop. Now search for Messenger on the search bar that you will see at the top. Once the Messenger is loaded, you will get 3-dot icon on that Messenger. Click on that. A drop-down menu will pop up. From there, click on Advanced Options. Here, scroll down a bit, and under this section, you will get multiple options. It says, if your app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. There, click on Repair button, and that will repair your application if there is any error. Now check if the problem has been solved or not. If not, again click on Reset button. It says if app still isn't working right, reset it, the app's data will be deleted. Click on that. A dialog box will pop up that says this will permanently delete app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in detail. Then click on Reset. Again, go back, and now you have to log into your account by providing your login credentials. Since you have cleared your application data from your desktop, open up the Messenger on your desktop and check whether the issues have been solved or not. If not, then the last option will be simply uninstall the application from your desktop. Again, click on uninstall. Once you uninstall that, now open up the Microsoft Store on your desktop again. Then download the Messenger application again. After you download it, log into your account, and that will help you out to solve the error in Messenger on your desktop. So these are all the ways that you can try out to fix the problem in Messenger on your desktop or PC. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure you subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.